Hola! Happy 2023! My name is Princess Lopez and today I'm so excited of touring you around to this fantastic, totally renovated property. To begin, I wanted to start by showing you off this 8-kilometer boardwalk connected to the beach that is part of the neighborhood where a property is. Walking with the dog, going for a jog, or simply enjoying the majestic sunset is what Torre Bermeja has to offer. This location is known as the New Golden Mile. Due to the proximity to Marbella, these towns are often compared. However, Estepona is expanding rapidly and recently has been named as the Garden City of the Costa del Sol. This property that I'm about to show you is up to these standards. 3 bathrooms, 3 bedrooms, distributed in 141 square meters plus 39 square meters of terrace, and the asking price, 1.395 million. This flat is conveniently placed on the first floor, giving easy access to all amenities, but is still having enough height to provide beautiful views from the terrace that I will be showing you shortly. Entering the house, we have this large entryway and the hall going to the first 2 bedrooms and bathrooms. The first bedroom is decorated in neutral gray and has a built-in closet, while the second bedroom mimics a 5-star hotel suite with an open concept glass shower as the room's main attraction, with a built-in closet as well and a private covered terrace. All throughout the house, you will find these spectacular, custom-made floating ceilings with LED lights to maximize the modern design. The American-style kitchen has been designed so it's fully functional, but it still meets the minimal and clean aesthetic the apartment has. And how cool is this cooking countertop with an incorporated exhaust fan? As expected, every single detail has been looked after, like these Nef appliances and this very discreet wine cooler. From here, we find this large dining area that accommodates up to 6 people that is strategically placed next to this main living area, where we find this massive Bang Olufsen TV, plenty of storage, and electric fireplace. This living area allows us to have a peek to the terrace, but before that, let me show you the master bedroom. As you walk, we are greeted by this open concept tub, a glass shower, and this walk-in closet that is brightly designed to serve as one. Imagine coming home after a stressful day, getting into this freestanding majestic bathtub while enjoying the sun-setting beach view. From here, we can access to the 39 square meter terrace that is partially covered. And this wouldn't be a Costa del Sol property without an outside dining area where you and your guests can enjoy the outdoors. Before I end, this complex also offers underground parking, a storage room, tropical gardens, 24-hour security, 2 outdoor swimming pools, 1 heated indoor pool, sauna, gymnasium, and of course, direct access to the beach. So if you would like to visit this property and the rest of the 5-star amenities this gorgeous apartment has to offer, don't hesitate to contact us at Livingston Estates. Thank you.